Now discuss the problem scenario 6 here in the exam. So let's go to the simulator. What exactly problem scenario says: you have been given the following data format file. Each data point is separated by pipe. So name, sex, age, father name, example record. Create an Hive database. They are asking you to create the Hive database named family, not a table. It's a create a database, okay, with the following details. You must take care that if database is already exist, it should not be created again. So, okay, and while creating the database, comment should be this: like this database will be used for collecting various family data and their daily habits. That is the comment you need to have while creating the database. Okay, data file locations, like when did all the data, when the database is created, all the files should be created in this location underscore hdf hyphen hdfs hyphen family. And stored other properties, like you should also have properties like database creator name, creator who has created, and database created on which date it has been created. Also write a command to check whether database has been created or not when the new property. So this is just to create a database with the various properties. So it's not about creating the table in Hive. It's saying like create a database. Okay, so this is like create a table similar to create database. If not exist, you have to use, because if the family database is already exist, that's they want you to use it. Like if not exist, then ignore this part. Don't create the family database. And the comment while creating this comment location where the file needs to be stored when the data tables has been created, and with the db properties, all the properties who has created the database and when it has been created. And the check how to check the whether the database has been created or not. So it's a very simple exercise. Just go to the Hive and just show databases. So we have three database: default, family, Hadoop exam. So let me remove the database first, family, and then we will work on this. Okay. Okay, just a minute. So we need to drop the family database. So while before dropping this family database, we have to check whether there is underlying tables or not. Exactly. So let's just use family database first, using the use family database. So we are in the family database, show tables. So there are three tables I can see in this database. So let's drop this table first, then only we can drop the database. So drop table and table name. There could be another way to drop the entire database, but I know this is the way. First you need to drop all the underlying tables, and then you can uh, drop the database using the drop command. There could be another short way in Hive, which right now I don't remember, but let's drop individual table. So you had three tables. Now see show tables. Is there anything? Now drop database name family. Okay, so now let's do the show databases. We should not be having family database. Okay, so now we have only her default and Hadoop exam, two database. Now let's use the query which we will be using. So create database if not exists family comments here, then this is location with the properties. Okay, so we'll be doing this thing in the Hive. So now it has been created. Now let's see show databases. Okay, so family database has been created. Now check describe this database, extend it. So extend it will give you the more information. So family, this database will be used for this. This is the comment. This is the application user Cloudera, and user creator database creator Vedic, and when it was created. That's the one row fetch. So that is where you create the database. Okay, so they might ask you to create the database first and then create the table inside this and then load the data in this table. So that could be the process entirely, end-to-end implementation of a loading the data from one file. Like create a first database, create a table with the particular format, and then load the data. These three steps. So we have done like first we have created tables, now we have created database. Now we'll see what next exercise says. So thanks for watching. That's all about this exercise. I hope but like this, just finishing this exercise, I mean like you need to have understanding behind Hive, how it works. Okay, so please read the Hive if you don't have the knowledge, or else please go through this training. This is the professional training provided by Hadoop exam to learn the Hadoop entirely. So this is a separate product altogether. So we will keep enhancing this training as well as whenever they need it. Continuously we add the modules in the trainings whatever Hadoop exam published, so it never becomes outdated, and we replace the training modules. Like we have right now Hadoop big data training, edge based training, and Spark training. So in this exam they will also ask this Spark, so you can use this Spark training as well. We have hands-on session on the Spark training for this, however we will be having the scenario based question on the Spark as well. So please subscribe this video channel, so you'll get the update as well. So thanks for watching, and let's move for the next session, next scenario.